Now we will solve the problem number 18 from chapter 27 survey book. Okay, the uh, certain light bulb has a tungsten filament with resistance 19 and 19 when cold and 140 at when hot. Assume the resistivity of tungsten varies nearly with temperature over the large temperature range involved here. Find the temperature of hot filament, assuming the initial temperature is 20. Initial temperature is 20 centigrade. Okay, as the resistance when cold that was 19 and 19 ohm and hot it was 140 ohm. Assume that resistance is very okay. As we know that the resistivity of the tungsten is 4.5 10 raised to power minus 3 that you must be remember or that must be given at the data sheet. Okay, this is called the temperature coefficient of resistivity. This is called temperature coefficient of resistivity for tungsten. Okay, so as we know that the formula is R is equal to R naught 1 plus alpha delta alpha uh, alpha T TF minus T naught. Okay, so or you may say that RH hot mean that is a final temperature, or cold 1 plus alpha uh, 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 T hot minus T cold. Okay, so by putting values or the cold temperature, assuming the initial temperature is 20, so cold temperature T cold जो initial temperature is 20 centigrade. Okay, so hot is 140, cold is 19, 1 plus alpha is 4.5 10 raised to power minus 3. Uh, we have to find TH while the cold temperature is given that. Okay, 20. So from by doing these calculations, we easily calculate 140 divided by 19. That will be a 1 plus 4.5 10 raised to power minus 30 TH minus 20. Okay, and then after finding the answer, you may get 140 divided by 19 minus 1, 4.5 10 raised to power minus 3 TH minus 20. Or you may say that 140 divided by 19 minus 1, 4.5 10 raised to power minus 3 TH minus 20. So from here, TH will be equal to 140 90 minus 1 4.5 10 raised to power minus 3 That will be go there, then that will be 20. After calculating this, T hot will be equal to 1435111 centigrade. So this will be the final answer. So by doing all this, this will be your final. Actually, you must remember this formula. Okay, that is the this formula. Okay, and so from here you will get this temperature. Okay, I think now it's clear. If you have any type of question, you may put at the comment box. Uh, and subscribe our channel if you satisfy and if you want to appreciate us and encourage us.